Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link on a YouTube video description. As shown above, if the link you add in the description of your video link on YouTube is www.websitelink.com, it's not going to be clickable when people are viewing that video unless you replace it with https://www.websitelink.com. For example, my own website, you can go to it directly, fastnowa.com, www.fastnowa.com, or https://fastnowa.com, and it will take you there directly without any error. But if you try that one on YouTube, like the one I'm highlighting now, you will need to remove https. You need to enter https on it before it can work, like this: https://fastnowas.com // If you remove this https, we are going to test it and replace it with www.fastnowa.com. We are going to copy it. Let's test it in another tab. Let's test it here. We are going to paste it. Paste that www and click enter. It's reloading. Now it has reloaded. This link has taken us to our website, fastnowa.com. This is it. And if you go and try it with https://www.fastnowa.com, you can see it's going to take us to our website as well. It has taken us to our website, fastnowa.com. So if you can't do that one on YouTube, let's click save and go to another tab to watch that video. Just let's kindly click the YouTube link here. It will take us to another tab where we can watch it. This is the YouTube video. The video is playing. Let's pause it. Click the more button to read the description of the video. That is it. More information. Under more information, we added www. It's not clickable, so it's not clickable. It appears mere text like that. So we need to come here and change this www. Replace it with https://. Then go and click save. It has been saved. Now go back to that tab, reload the page. The video is playing. Let's pause it. Click the more to view the more information. This is the link. The link has appeared clickable, and if you click it, it will go to my website. That is how YouTube work. Any link you are adding on it, make sure that it has https://that link.com or .any domain name extension it has. Then you click, then you save your videos. Even video related videos on YouTube we added https before YouTube link itself. Without https, your YouTube video description link will not appear clickable to your viewers. So that means any link you add on your video description will not be clickable, and you are wasting your time adding links to your description. That's how to do it. If you know that this video has helped you, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a likes, and talk about it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you will watch this video in the next time again.